Marami ang nasaktan, marami ang umasa na ito ay isang publicity lamang, mga kaibigan. Itong bombang pinalabas ni Donnie and Belle na sinasabing mutual decision nilang dalawa na last project na po ang Tayo sa Wakas. Pero ang sabi naman ng marami na still hoping na hindi naman talaga binuwag itong Don Bella love team, na ito ay for now lang dahil may proyekto silang Tayo sa Wakas. Ang sabi nga ng iba, hinatak lang ng Don Bell. Hinatag lang daw ng Don Bell ang mga regular fans nila at ang kanilang casual view. Sabi ni Ellie, AJ pala. Don't forget please, I was just rewatching about it. Feels like I only heard something. Leave me alone guys. Please tell me. We all heard the same thing. Your love is too loud, babe. So yun na nga, ito na nga ang kinuhanan nila ng hugot. Itong narinig niyang your love is too loud, babe. Kasi nga daw may bali-balitang meron pa nga daw gathering itong pamilyang Pangilinan at Marianos, mga kaibigan. Kasi nga daw po, some of the followers ng Don Bell ay sinasabing they are on their way para sa real relationship. Kung kaya ayaw na nila ng magkaroon ng project together, kasi ayaw nilang masira sila ng kanilang mga toxic fans, lalo na ang hindi mapigilang toxicity, yung mga narratives, switching narratives daw po na ginagawa ng ibang fans na talagang nagbibigay ng pressure sa kanila. And so, dahil daw dyan, may balita pa nga daw buntis na. Yun ang sabi nila. Pero hindi ko po alam yun, mga kaibigan. At until i-anunsyo yan, yun na lang po. Doon na lang po tayong kumuha ng mas malaking spook. Pero yes, sabi daw ay hiningi na daw ang kamay. Pero hindi natin alam kung gaano katotoo. Siyempre, pag nasa kalye ka, mababasa mo at maririnig mo talaga ang bali-balita from one corner to another corner. Sabi ni Gilbert, that lower about Don Bell have DJF now. I'm curious. I think they were dating then broke up. I just read it. Or were they never really actually together? Just good friends like that? I don't want delusional answers, please. Sabi daw dyan ng Steph, I just woke up but I know their lure. Ha ha ha. Sabi daw ni Gilbert, PM mo nga sa akin, but feeling ko di sila nagjojoaan or nagbe-break na lang. So yes, tama ka na. Nag-a-ask lang, sabi ni Gilbert. You guys just keep going to the gym together, ha? Sino ba? Si Donnie and Belle? Si Donnie and Belle ba yan? Pero yes, mga kaibigan, gaano katotoo? Nagjojoaan, nagbe-break up, hinihiling na ang kamay. Tanging kayong fans na talagang very, very, very loyal ang nakakaalam niyan, at ang mga admins ninyo for sure may narinig kayong bali-balita from here to there. Pero yes, for now, narito po ang sinasabing after this, paano na? So, alamin natin kung gaano katotoo ang mga bali-balita in the future. But for now, pakinggan natin si Donnie and Belle. Ano pa nga ba ang kanilang mga sinasabi sa interview na hindi pa narinig ng iba? Let's go and listen to this. Alexander Lexi Juice, gandang umaga.
Ng oras yung mga bagay na hindi naman totoo.
I absolutely agree. And again, thank you for taking this stand, using your voices for something that needs to be said, that understandably others can't articulate in this way. I'm reminded by, I don't know if you're familiar, there was this Black Mirror episode, and then parang the episode was like, what if you had an app that had a countdown to when the relationship would end? And I'm reminded of that with this particular movie, because it's literally like you have that, you know that this is as you mentioned, the last film you'll be working on together for now. And I wanted to share that story because I want to know what it feels like going to set every day, knowing that, okay, 9 days to go, 8 days to go.
Right now talaga, we're just really giving our best.
Yeah.
Everything.
We're focusing all our energy to make sure this movie is worth it for sure. But at the same time, it's not easy, diba? Kasi you're going through it on set and it's really, wow, it's really, we haven't released anything yet, diba? Wala pa kaming teaser, wala pa kaming trailer, but I think we're just really making most of this specific season.
Yeah. And now that we said that this is our last for now, we really want to make it worth it for everyone.
Seeing how you both talk about the film already makes me feel like it's really very different from anything you've ever done, and a story that, from what I know so far, is very timely, something that a lot of people will resonate with right now. And because it seems like parallel yung growing together and individually to the film, to anyone who's in a stage of life where they're figuring that out, how to grow together with whoever and individually, what's your advice? Because this is paano ba to after.
Yeah, that is true. For me, before you get into any relationship, you guys should talk about your non-negotiables and your boundaries and your goals and your wants and where you see yourself hopefully in the next few years. Para medyo aligned kayo.
Yes.
Pagpasok nyo. Hindi yung magugulat na lang kayo pagpasok nyo tapos, ay, ang dami mo palang gusto. Ay, hindi pala pwede sa'yo to. O, dapat sinabi mo sa akin yung ganyan. Parang doon na lang kayo magkakagulatan, di ba? So, in order for you guys to avoid that, hopefully you go into the relationship more aligned. That this is where we are right now. And we both have to respect that. Because if not, it's better to just not enter at that stage. Maybe you should meet each other at a different point of your lives where it will intersect more gracefully.
Plus, make sure that you're complete entering a relationship. You know, I feel like relationships, this is just me. This is how I see it. Hindi tao ang kukumpleto sa'yo, ikaw ang bubuo sa'yo. Parang you complement each other but you don't complete one another. And that's like the toxic type of relationship.
Yeah. And obviously, everything that we've talked about today, you two have navigated that how to grow together, but also individually very well. Always cheering for you both now and here on. I just want to ask you guys a last question that I ask all the guests here on Paano Ba To? Because we're all just figuring out life. What is a Paano Ba To question you have right now? Wala din na inisip.
Paano ba natin maitatawid tong eksenang to na ganito kalalim or kabigat?
Paano ba to from now on?
No, and the great thing about you two is, from everyone that knows you in real life, you really have each other's backs, no matter what. Right? And again,
I don't think anything will ever change that. Yeah.
Okay, Melba. Thanks so much, Donnie and Belle. Right after this, they're literally heading into shooting scenes for their film. Thanks so much. I know that the film is still in its finishing stages, but this is showing everywhere. May
27.
27. Tayo sa wakas. Tayo sa wakas. Tayo sa wakas. Tayo sa wakas. Okay. Valentine. Thank you so
Paano ba to?
much. Paano Ba To? The podcast is created and hosted by me, Bianca Gonzalez. And for this special episode, we